So welcome back to my channel, and today we're again back here with Michael. Actually, we haven't left because we're so excited, and today he's going to show us how to propagate the string of hearts and the string of spades. And we have them here, and if you actually do look at them, they do look like spades, the leaves and the heart. So welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice and I'm the Red Soil Gardener. So Michael, now, I'm really excited. I've learned so much. So as we said, this is the string of spades, and you can actually see the shape of a spade, you know, sort of thing.
They usually look like spade.
Yes, they do.
Yes.
And tell me, this is a succulent.
It's a succulent also.
Oh wow, it's amazing. Yes. And then we have the string of hearts.
Also, you have the string of hearts.
Which is again a succulent.
A succulent. The difference between the pearl and these ones, it's these ones have some tubers.
Ah.
It's not, they don't have roots.
Yes.
You see, for the
string of pearls,
for pearl and the bananas, they usually have those
the roots. Yeah.
But these ones don't have roots. They have tubers.
Aha.
The tubers which usually holds the roots.
Show me.
These are the tubers. These are the hearts.
This is the string of hearts.
Yeah, you see now. Wow. These are the tubers.
And look at those rooting on the tubers. My gosh.
Their rooting usually comes from their tubers. When you are doing the propagation, there has to be this tuber.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just cut from here. You see, like this one, you separate it. You just cut it from there. Now this one you can plant it.
That's number one.
That's number one. So you just you look where the tuber is, and you propagate from the tuber. This one now.
Again.
This one you don't have to cut this one. You see?
So you can keep one.
You can keep one, or you can just put them both.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's two. At least we need like three. Three healthy ones.
And it's only through the tuber?
Through the tuber.
Now,
make sure when you are planting, the tuber is, you just put it inside.
Submerge it in soil.
Submerge it in soil.
Could I ask you a question?
Yes.
If I was also to propagate this,
yes.
I would look for this chunky bit, this tuber here.
Yes, yes.
And I would actually submerge it.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
That's the way we do it.
Oh, nice.
Also, it's like the pearls, and when you are doing the mixing,
yes,
just
do the same.
You do the same. First of all, put the pumice
for well draining.
Yeah, for the draining. Then you put peat.
Your peat, again well drained.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now this is where you plant from. So that you top dress with pumice.
Yes.
Yeah. Just make sure your tuber is.
Here it is. You submerge it.
Submerge it down there.
Yeah. And someone told me that if you have a difficulty to submerge it, you can actually use a hairpin.
You can use
one of those Kirby's and then just use it to keep it down.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Just do it that way. Then you add a little bit of pumice
at the top.
Top dress with the pumice.
And then with this one, because we haven't cut anything, do we need to callus it?
No.
No.
This one now you can water it.
Okay, because of the tuber.
Yes.
But just a little bit. Yeah.
So that's it now.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So that is our string of hearts.
That's string of hearts.
So I'm going to put these aside here.
Yeah.
And show us what you're going to do with the spade. I love the spade. It's such a beautiful color.
Also the spade, they have those tubers.
Yes. And they're actually growing quite quickly. Look at those rootings. Amazing.
Very nice. See this one also?
Oh wow.
Yeah. So you have to put all the three
inside the soil.
We submerge it so that to be healthy. So put the pumice. our pits.
And then take your babies.
Then we take these ones. You know, for these ones, you don't have to dig a hole. You can also put it this way.
And then just cover it.
Then just cover it. It's more healthy than.
Yeah. Then, and also with the holes, you try to dig it in.
Yes.
And then sometimes it pops up again. Amazing. And actually it's fast growing, isn't it?
It's fast growing.
Because look at that. And
Yeah.
there's another one. So this one we keep out.
Yes. Oh, you spread them, you arrange them nicely.
Yes. Oh, look what I found. So many.
Then you top
It's
breast with
so
a little bit of
fast
pit.
growing.
Put a little bit of pit. And now our pumice.
And basically you can start watering just a little bit to get it going.
Yes. Just water a little bit. For this one, because they have tubers.
Yeah,
So it's not affected like pearl and
yeah.
banana.
But tell me, so what about the light? Where do you keep it? Is it in direct sun?
This one you can put it for the spade.
Yes.
The spade can survive even in direct sunlight.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, so you can actually have it in hanging baskets.
Yes. For the
Yeah.
hanging baskets, you can put these. Also the
The
heart.
heart.
Yeah. These ones will survive both indoor and outdoor.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm definitely going to buy them and
Oh.
then put them in my kitchen. I just want them have all this
Trail,
trellis.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
That's nice.
And then there was another question I wanted to ask you. So how often would you water them?
This one you should water them once a week.
Once a week?
Yeah. You know they are
They're succulents, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And do they flower, these ones?
Yeah, they do flower.
And what sort of flower do they get?
They have like for the hearts they have purple flowers.
Oh, beautiful.
Very tiny purple flowers.
Yes.
Also for the spade.
Okay.
Yes.
We look forward to more flowers and more trellises going down.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for following this channel. Thank you so much, Michael. Really, I've learned so much.
Yes.
I am not going to kill these plants ever again. So don't forget to like, to share, and press that notification button, subscribe. Also check out Instagram, do leave me comments, and my YouTube, I always try to answer. So thank you so much for joining me. Go and get yourself some of these and have them trellising on your shelves or in the kitchen. I think that'd be very attractive and so easy to propagate and to look after. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.